First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, on top of the battery, notice there is that location for the engine air filter. What we do is we grab the top cover and then lift it upside. One side is taken out easily because the tab is broken from here. Now we'll grab the other side and then pull it out. There it is, top cover is completely taken out like that. Once the cover is out, now we'll need to grab the frame from here and then slide it outwards. There it is, that is how we take out the filter along with the frame. We'll just pull out the filter from the frame like that. And this separates the filter from that plastic cover. Now in my case, the filter is brand new, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure this curved side right there stays at the top and the other side like this stays at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. Just make sure that the frame right there, you would see there's one shape like that, the curved shape. That should stay at the front, and the other side that has some sort of space where you can punch in your fingers, it should stay at the bottom. And we'll just go ahead and install the engine air filter on top of the frame like that. And now again, this side right here should go first. So we'll go ahead and carefully slide in the filter in that slot. Just like that, making sure it is all the way down. Once it's all the way down, now we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. Now with the cover, notice these are the lines coming out. Make sure these lines are staying at the bottom right here. So we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover just like that. This is the left side. Just make sure the cover goes inside that tab. Left side is in, and there we punch in the right side as well. You may have to push from right and left until the cover completely sits in position. And there it is, the cover seems completely in. That wraps up the replacement process of engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.